Look at this. Winter Storm Olympia here on the border of Virginia and West Virginia in the Appalachian Mountains. It's Monday, February 15th. And I guess we got about 8 inches. 8 inches, and it's no signs of stopping. That's winter here in the Appalachian Mountains. Anyway, I got that wood up yesterday, that massive tree out of the pasture. It's been over there for 2 years. I knew I only had like 1 day to do it. It was dry for a couple days, and then it froze. The ground froze, so it's supposed to have freezing rain on top of this, and it's supposed to warm up at the end of the week. So we ain't going to have nothing but mud in the pastures by the end of the week. There's the poor boat. There's the poor boat. If she makes it through this winter, she'll make it through anything. Alright, for Tom's Farm and Garden and Snowing channel, I'm Tom Moore. And if you're out in Winter Storm Olympia, good luck to you.